Okay, Christy, in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for your Google site. If you took Technology for Educators in the last couple of years, you created a Google site for your portfolio. And so in creating that site, you had to have a Google account. And so this is the way you're going to be able to find your website. So I'm just on a Google search page, and I am not signed in. So you'll see that this little blue sign in. So just click on that. And then this computer recognizes me because it's the one I always use. But you will need to have your Google email account, and which is whichever one you use to sign up. It doesn't have to be a Gmail account like mine is my SBU email account. You can use kind of whatever. But if you forgot your password, you can have them send it to you just like you can with any other account. So I'm just going to sign in. And then whenever I sign in, then it makes available to me all of the different products that Google has that are associated with my sign in and with my email. And so it takes me back to this Google search page. So the easiest way for me to go to my sites that I have is just to type it up here in the URL. So I'm just going to type not www, but I'm going to type sites, sites.google.com. And then click enter, and it takes me to all of the websites that I've ever created. And so yours would probably look something like this one. This is an example site that I have created at one point when I was teaching the class, and I'm actually teaching it right now. So this is what yours will look like, except for up on your URL, whenever we have students create sites, we have them do these first ones, but then where mine says Mrs. Fox's site, yours would say your last name and then your student ID number. And so that would be another way you could try to find it if you type that into your URL if you cannot find your Google account information. If you type that URL in with your last name and your last 5 digits, then you would be able to find yours as well. So hopefully that helps you to find it. Also, if you don't want to just type in sites.google.com, from any Google homepage, you can go up here to this little 9 square, and it's the app launcher. You can click on that. Go down here to more, and then even more from Google, and it takes you to all of the tools and the products that they have available through your Google account, which are all free. And if you go down here to under Home and Office, you'll see right here is sites, and that will take you to the same location as when we were at the list of sites. So hopefully that helps you. If you have any more issues or this doesn't help you find your website, email me again and we'll try to figure something else out.